welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on day 7 of my December daily. For day 7 we went to the ski lodge. We didn't ski or anything, but we did enjoy the great outdoors, looking at the beautiful light displays. Just being able to get out of the house was really nice. We took a ton of photos and had a great time. And because I have so many photos, I am going to be working with the backside of the 6x8. I didn't do anything to decorate this. I just think it's beautiful as it is. And so I'm going to be using this 6x8, this plastic, and this page. So I went ahead and I cut out my photos, and I have quite a few. I love this big black and white one of the ski hill, and I have a mix of 4x6s and some 3x4s. So we'll go ahead and take the pages out of the album, put this in fast forward, and get started.
At this point, I'm just trying to figure out where I want each photo to go. I decided to have the journaling, the black and white journaling, next to the black and white photo. The journaling was an idea from Allie, where she had a solid black background with text in front. And on the other page I have a lot more brighter colors. And then I realized, as much as I love the green card with the constellations, I thought it was too bright for this dark spread. So I'm looking through the options and I'm just gathering kind of my favorite choices. I really like the black with the white stars. So I pulled out a couple different options. I absolutely love this card with the 3 little half circles. I thought it kind of went nicely with the igloo underneath it. And I am going to go ahead and decorate everything, but for now I'm putting everything into each pocket so I can remember where everything goes. I kind of considered doing some flip outs, but I don't mind it being on 2 layouts. So I'm going to put everything aside and work on the 6x8 photo. I've been seeing this pocket on top of a large photo idea all over the place, and I don't know who started it, but I absolutely loved it and I wanted to give it a try. So what I did is I took out a waterfall from We Are Memory Keepers. It's a 4x6 plastic pocket, and I'm just cutting it down to fit this little tag. There's a bunch of different ways you could do this, but for me it was just easiest to take a pocket already made, and then I would have all the sides fused together already except the one side that I cut. So I take up my fuse tool and line up my ruler, and I just go and seal that side, and it was super easy. There are a couple of ways this could have been done. I had considered just fusing it directly to the 6x8, in which case I wouldn't have needed a pocket. It would have just been one layer on top of another layer. But I didn't mind using my tape runner, and you can't even see it, and it seals nice and flush to it, so it kind of gives the illusion that it is just part of the 6x8. I was trying to choose between this card by Allie, These Wonderful Things, or the white, and I really love the gold on black and white, so I went with that one. And now I'm trying to figure out which number I want, and I'm actually not entirely happy with my choice. I felt like the black kind of got lost, and I kind of considered the white, but it was just, didn't really know where to put it. And then the gold was my number 1 choice, but I thought it was too big, so I went ahead and I found some numbers from Allie, and I found this small gold number 7, and I kind of tucked it up in the top photo right in the center. So it's there. You have to get a magnifying glass. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's one of my favorite layouts so far. And then I kind of changed my mind and I went with the black constellations with the copper stars. And I took out a perforated strip. It says this is real life right now, and I thought that was fitting as we did a lot of outdoor activities this winter. I kept the second page of this layout very basic, the resort we were at was called Blue Mountain, so I felt like the title should say mountain, but I didn't have all the letters, so I just picked MTN. And there's my little helper. He always jumps up in the middle of recording. I really like how the white stands out on this dark photo. And now I'm just going to look for another sticker to put on. And I found this turquoise star, Be Jolly, and I felt like it really brought out the L and the E and the text blue above, and I put it directly between these two photos. And then I went ahead and added another star above the text strip, and I felt like there was a lot of different whites everywhere between the igloo and the text from mountain, and I really wanted to put something on this constellations card, so I picked a sticker from last year, Let It Shine. And for the finishing touches, I went ahead and did a little more journaling, where I talked about our desire to go downhill skiing together as a family. As I finish the journaling, I contemplate if the tag should have a ribbon at the top, and as much as I wanted to just leave it as is, there was a little hole punched at the top, and I felt like it needed a little something. So I went through my Felicity Jane stash of different ribbons, and I found this gorgeous, delicate little thin gold ribbon. I do a basic knot and trim off the excess. And that's everything. If you have any suggestions on what you think I should add or remove, please let me know. I'm still kind of questioning that teeny tiny gold number. But I went ahead and put everything back into the album. Please like and subscribe to this video if you are enjoying my content, and I'll see you back for day 8. It'll be a smaller layout, and I'll also show you a tutorial that I did from prep day. Thanks for watching!